I see you. I see you.
These people were here first, Bobby. Stay with us.
Yes.
So excited.
Dad, the bus door's right here. Haha. We win. That's the Mario Man. Ow. What?
Yep.
Yeah. You're just recording nothing.
I know. We going into the park. It's recording. We're going to the going to the park. Hello.
This person I really don't have any tips for you. I've never been here. So I don't get to be the tour guide. Let's go around.
Oh my god, I took down. I was going to break down. I'm so lucky. Okay. Okay, how do we put the light up shot? Whoa, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh no, oh no. Okay, we're back. I don't know what happened. It turned off or something. I think I'm still recording. Escalator, I know escalators. We're going on the escalator, everybody. Haha. Escalators, escalators.
Severely overrated. Oh yeah, as far as old, anything other than like, to me it's nostalgic. Like if you ever went with that kid,
Escalators are everybody.
or people mover doesn't do it for a lot of people. It's just that.
No, never.
You gotta go get players again.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can I take it on the underwater trip?
Yeah. Got the balls in the water, now we're alright. Yeah, buddy! Cruising, cruising. Oh, Leah made it. Alright, let's go, boys. Ready?
Yeah. Finally, remember. Let me get some movie back. Yeah.
I still got some.
I might drop it halfway through. Dad, I'm getting out of the tube. I'm getting out of the tube. Oh, wait. Roll it! Roll it! Dad, I'm getting You're going underwater for a while. Because my dad didn't want me to. I'm cat, literally. Guys, I'll be right back if you can see me. Peace.
Dad shit.
Wanna go on underwater mission?
Hold it steady.
Okay.
Don't be making big movements. this does.
Something underwater. What did I do?
I think it makes noise underwater.
Yeah, underwater it makes a sound.
All right, so go in there and hit it and see what happens. I didn't hear anything.
I heard it say something.
Oh.
Sounds of different animals.
I know, I'm like,
I want to jump in the water.
oh, Riker. What is it?
Whoa!
Oh, you broke it?
Hey, I didn't break it.
It's not. Oh, there goes. Dude, he was smoking. He was smoking it.
See it way up there? It goes down right here. You can see people go through there. If you had goggles on, you can see them.
What is this? You ready, bro? Do we have to get a wet Tommy?
You don't have to get wet. Push that top button when you're ready to record.
Okay, bro.
How about y'all go
Ready, bro?
in a second and go down the slide?
Yeah. Bro, what slide should we go on? I don't know. Let's go on these two. I got wet. Bro, the pro. Oh, jeez. Look at that. Look how big high we're already at. Oh gosh. You guys, we're high. Hi guys. You might barely be able to see us, but whatever. Okay, stop. You're gonna ruin it. I'm gonna go down this one. Okay, what are you doing?
Can't go down the camera, guys.
Wait, Dad, we can't go down with the camera. Okay.
Away from me.
Bro, what's up? We gotta do this. Since we're not allowed to go downside, my dad says let's do a lap. Oh God.
Want to make a lap with
Let's go back. Guys, look at this terrible turtle. This is... Yeah. Guys, we're doing an underwater way. Let's go. Yeah? How?
Let me take a picture of you. One of y'all. Take me.
Let's do underwater recording where we like just go around with the underwater. Guys, I also there. Bro, let's go. Okay, guys, here we go. Guys, there's a whole entire waterfall on the stairs. Look at that. Oh, damn. Well, these are really slides. Guys, look at this thing. Look at it. It's a fish. It's a fish. It is wood. It's wood. I don't know if y'all can see the water though. It's kind of loud, so I'm gonna talk a little loud, guys. Wait, I want to show you a cool feature about this place. Liam, come on, Liam. Liam, let's go. We gotta do something. Liam, you ready to go into the underground cave? Guys, we're going into the underground cave. We gotta hide from our mom, our dad. Guys, we're in the underground cave here in the kids area. Look at that. And you can see the after we play around in here, guys, we're gonna get to go in that thing. Brother, that's insane. And there's another one right here. More light in it. Okay. Look at that. Insane. That's so cool. Let's go, guys. We gotta bring this back to our dad. Bro, Liam, let's go. Liam, are you coming? Listen, I gotta get Liam to come on. We gotta go, Liam. We gotta get it back to our dad. Bro, we gotta go. Let's go. Why? We need to go get them back to our dad. So our dad said just one lap around. And then we can go to that. Ready to go with that, bro? Yeah. Y'all, let's go get these back so we can go. I have to get a drink and probably a little snack and then we're gonna go. What? Maybe I have to tell me the way. Yeah, let's go. Oh, God, bro. You're gonna go back. Oh guys, I'll tell y'all something. There's like this thingy right here, what's the water? It like goes down. And like, you can act like you're in a trap. Oh no, we're in a trap! We're gonna, we're dead, no! Hey, let's go! Brother! The end of the day. Peace out, guys. Why are we high? Are we high?
No, we're not high at all. We're about to go underneath where the water comes out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm gonna go to the left side. Oh. Okay.